to message me. I mean, I don't have experience with girls. I don't know how to answer that, yung how. I mean, if a yes or a no. Hmm. That's why I said I have no experience. More safe answer. Lala, of course I don't want to. I don't want her to feel. What do you call that? I just want to have safe answer. Lol, new things. What new things? You already know that my pussy is small. What's the other new things? Lol, what the heck? Mukuni and me. What first time with Mukuni? What the fuck? You crazy, oh. Really? I remember, Lily also, some people thought that Lily is a lesbian too. Because Lily support me a lot before in my main account. But Lily has a boyfriend. Wait, you do it, girl. No, I don't have experience, Murat. Crazy. Why me? I'm bisexual now. What the heck? My pussy is good. Why me? No, I'm not bi. What? Who said that? Uh, no, you're not bisexual. Who's bisexual? Not JC. Bisexual means you are okay with the girl and boy, right? Mm, that's that's Murat. I Dick. Hello, Dick. Thank you, Momo. Ah, but I don't. I'm not.